market has shifted in a way that VCs are making less money right now, especially
Yeah.
from venture investment. Last cycle, venture investment. Even if you did a spray and pray model, and spray and pray model, for those who don't know, it's a model when you invest in a lot of different companies, very small amount, and you hope at least one of them is going to kind of repay not just principal, but make you a multipliers. You would make money.
Yep.
This market, again, VCs are not making money. They
Yep.
are choosing not to invest in these crazy valuations, and what they're doing, liquids. Now, I would say 70 and 80% of VCs in my circle are doing liquid investments because it's
Yep.
very easy in, very easy out. Because again, do the simple math. Let's say you're a project, you're raising at whatever valuation. Let's say 50 million is kind of the average one we see in the market. VCs are usually getting like the average terms are like maybe you get 10% on TG, maybe, then you get a cliff, and then you get the vesting. And usually
Yep.
cliff is like up to 6 months, investing a year to 2 years. This means me, let's say I'm a VC, I need to calculate first. I need to get my principal back. If you are raising a $50 million valuation, it means on the day of the launch, if I had 10% on TGE, you need to be at $500 million valuation. So basically, that's half a
Yep.
billion. Are we sure you can be at the $500 million valuation in this market for me just to get my principal back? We're not talking making money, just getting principal back. And then
I haven't seen many in the last 12 months, maybe one or two at 500 on day one.
exactly, exactly. And then will you sustain that price, or can you make sure it's not gonna again be the Burj Khalifa kind of graph
Yep.
for us when the unlock's gonna happen? Because when unlock is gonna happen, and let's say you raised, let's say 10 million, 20 million, that's kind of the average raise. All this 10, 20 million is gonna go into market. Will you have enough buy pressure to sustain the price?